Oh, we're still playing hide and seek. Brody, you just wanted to take a break.
Shit.
Watch out for the blackberries. The what?
Dude, I threw my jacket.
They're not ripe yet, so I can't even.
I threw my jacket down the ladder thing, and she thought I jumped down. She was so freaked out. She was like, "Oh my god!"
Brittany, can we climb over that hill again?
No. Sure.
That's all horse crap.
That's all, folks.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah, let's. Jamie, continue making the spear.
We'll be back. We have to escort them.
Are we allowed?
How would you know we were coming? I heard y'all. You even scared me. I was just like watching my phone.
I know, I meant to scare Bryson because I knew he would be coming right beside Jen.
No, the only reason I got scared, I don't like jump scares.
Bro, I thought I would be
I
scared.
love them.
You like bro.
You don't like anything.
Brody, I need
Scary.
to do a really
Brody.
cool. Look, blow like this. No, wait, give it to me. Give it to me.
Come on.
Right then.
What?
Blow it.
No!
Make a wish too.
Watch out.
Go, Birdie.
I did it to him.
Ah!
He didn't blow it. He's like, blackberry.
Keep walking.
Oh, that made my eyes water.
Dead.
Hey, it's a bit sweet.
Seems a bit sweet.
Oh yeah, I scared her. Like this is the second time I scared her. Cause we were in the thing.
Brandon, look how big this blackberry. I found a blackberry. It's still not ripe yet, but look at it. It has to be
Is that a freaking Dollar General?
Yeah, it's a store. Ow. There's some sort of spikes up here.
That's why you're right here.
Yeah, we've been down there. Look how tall the hill. I told you it's pretty tall. I wouldn't.
Are y'all going down?
Remember when I pushed you down a hill?
yeah, she pushed me
And going down? And I was breaking backwards, like rolling backwards.
Who
Then the final tree, I slammed my hand down,
Someone run down
and
there
a tree
with me.
branch went right through there.
It was, and Brennan had like cuts all over
right
him, and
back
I was
up,
like, oops. Who wants to go down there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back and play hide and seek.
What? No, wait. I'll go down there.
I'll go down.
Just go.
It'll be good for videotape experience.
You videotape?
Yeah, I always do this.
We'll be there in a minute.
It's one of my things.
My things.
Yeah, that and sleeping all day. Ah! Something just went on my leg and it freaked me out. Something was climbing my leg.
I'm scared now.
It's fine.
Run
Probably
at
a
an
bug.
angle. Run at an angle.
Oh man, my jacket's all wet.
Run at an angle.
It's recording. You recorded me fall and bust my butt.
Run at an angle, people.
No, don't run, you'll slip and fall, especially the fact that it's all
No,
wet.
walk at an angle.
I ran down.
Dude.
No, fall.
That's what I did.
You realize that, Brendan, my face, your fate depends on me. If I fall, I can knock you down too.
Yeah, but not his fate, and you'll still live.
Oh,
Look at that big spider.
Where? Look at him. He's right there on that one.
Hurry.
Oh, that?
Shut up.
Go down!
Alright, I'm done.
Record Brody. He's about to do something.
If you fall and bust your face, I swear.
We're not up there.
Oh my god.
Let's go back though.
Whoa, look at all those freaking vending machines.
Yeah, come here.
Shut up.
I'm sorry.
It's so annoying. Everyone at school does that.
Relationship. So I will say that many times.
It's the town of vending machines.
I feel like it's illegal.
We're just walking, my god. My arm's all itchy now.
I hope someone comes yell at us.
None of them are open. They used to be open.
We better run off. Go, let's go. Wait, guys. I think that's our property line. Don't run in. You got one?
Oh my god, how?
Which one? This one. She just. It was in a auto pocket. Guys, look around. Look around. Is this stealing?
No.
No,
It's free. Some of these look weird.
If it's free.
Some of these are really old. Hey, what about that one? No, there's nothing in there. Wait.
2015.
What is that? Pack of cigarettes.
No. Wait. I'm gonna see.
What's in there? Okay. I'll see you later. I'll come back. Something's in there. I don't know. Come on. Here, come here. I need someone to hold this so I can hold my camera. Where? Come on! Holy shit! Man, I missed that too. Wait, I want to know what the can looked like.
Oh, wait, that hand is huge. Bring us go this way.
No!
Guys, if we were running from someone in the woods, I'd be the only person to live.
No, you'd be the first person to die because they probably... It sucks though, I didn't catch that.
Dude, I just picked that out of the machine. They were just sitting there. I was like, yo, Britton, now my thing's on here.
From 215.
I found a soda. Jamie, I found a soda in a vending machine.
Yeah. So many.
Jamie, I found a soda in the vending machine.
No.
Ow!
Brody, what the crap? Pick it up.
Brody, help! I need
You want to go look for more?
Got it.
Yeah,
Let's go. Looking for more for...
Wait, we're going right back down.
yeah, Brody, come on. We're looking for
We're going to go play hide and seek some more.
Someone hold this real quick. I will.
Brody, you're going to go play hide and seek with us?
Still recording. Oh my gosh.
We were going to go down and look for more, blackberries and soda.
It was just like sitting there. I was like, there's no more soda. We already checked.
I think I'm
Is
bleeding.
that a survival knife?
Oh, careful.
Okay. Yo, Jamie, get me 2 more. Wait, I don't want to hold it when we're going down. I'll hold it when we get down. Yeah, Jamie, give me 2 more blackberries or you out.
I'll eat them all.
Oh, well, that just sucks.
Well, I mean, I could
I kind of want to go around the front of the store. Yeah, come on, let's go this way. I just don't want to fall. Oh, crap. Check for ticks.
Wait. Alright. Go. It's caught my foot. Come on. That's beautiful. Oh my God. Dude, all this stuff just dried up.
Yeah, that's not
They're old, they're broken. This one's busted open.
Yeah.
No balls to drink it.
Yeah, I want
It probably has parasites in it.
Yep.
Wait, wait. What?
I heard somebody. I'm out. I heard somebody. I'm out.
So what are they going to do about it? We're in the back.
Their property, though.
So well, your parents haven't bought it yet, so
Yeah, we have. We bought it last Friday. That's our property line right there. Wait! When somebody comes out, just jump this. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm fine.
there's a field over there.
No!
One person comes back here and a million come back. Angry bird.
Wait, guys, this one's small for it. No, don't. Yeah, that's what one. There's some puff mud for you.
Puff mud? Is that even a thing?
Not puff mud? He's both these on. I'll go run get it. Hey, I'll go run get it. Go.
No. We back. We going back. Why?
What? Is that puff everywhere?
So the worst you could do is slip and fall and get your clothes all dirty.
No, it stings you.
So?
Like, no, like, one time when we were kayaking and I came, like, we stood in puff mud and it got all the way up to here. It was pretty bad. And you get covered in nasty mud.
That's the cool part.
Puff mud. Did you hear her? What? She just said getting all dirty is the cool part.
She's a tomboy.
Did you? You're joking,
That
right?
sounds so weird.
You're joking, right?
About what?
Getting mud all over you is the fun part.
No, I'm not. Except for my shoes. I like these shoes. Such a girly girl. But it's puff mud.
What is this? It's puff mud. What?
You're such a girl.
I don't want to.
Hey, what's that?
Ew!
What?
There's bugs or something.
Yeah, probably ringworms. I think I just saw either a baby lizard or a spider running around. He picked up a spider at recess one time and it kept biting him.
Yeah.
Brendan.
Why
It had long legs, I kept on picking it up. It wouldn't stop biting me.
No, but now my shoes have.
And then he killed it.
Oh, look at all these tadpoles. We're going back. Your mom's looking for us.
Really, he's not for sure.
Yeah, but let's just go back. Oh, we haven't checked one. Hey guys, I'm not gonna get out of here in Bobcat.
You saw that too, right? So? And there's mud all over my jacket. And I just got this jacket too.